Okay, we're doing construction 4, which is for ordinary level and higher level. It is taking a line perpendicular. This is a line perpendicular to L. You're given L at the beginning, you'll see this in a minute. You're taking a line perpendicular through a point P, passing P, through P, passing P, that happens to be on L. Okay, and this is a completely worked example using method 1, which we're going to look at, and then we'll also look at method 2. Method 2 uses set square. Method 1 uses a compass. Okay, so let's do both of them here. Let's start off with method 1, just a compass. So you will need for this a compass, a pencil, a pointed pencil, and a ruler. Okay, so this is how it will come to you in the exam. So the method is to bisect a line segment, but we need a line segment with P at center. To do that, you put your point on P. Make sure it doesn't go beyond, extend outside of the any particular end points. Construct these symmetrically placed intersection points. Then you just do the line segment intersection. Okay, so we want to extend your compass. Flick the point over to the alternative side. And it's a very nice construction, it's a very enjoyable construction to do. Yeah, it's okay, it shows how accurate I'm being because my shorter ruler won't fill in, so you take a longer ruler and join it up. So what you'll find is it'll go through P, it'll be perpendicular, and that's a lovely, lovely way of doing it. And back in the Greek times of Euclid, that was the only method acceptable. They didn't really have set squares, so they weren't able to do the second method, which I'm going to do here. Second method, ridiculously simple. Tend to favor using the 45 degree set square here. So you want to bring it in so it just touches the point, and it has one leg. These are the legs and this is the hypotenuse. One leg aligned with the line itself. Okay, to indicate to the examiner what you've done, you'll show the set square there, and then you'll draw this line. Okay, then finally you can use any of the sides of your set square now that you have it to hand, and you'll extend that line downwards. Okay. Now we're going to do it from scratch. Okay. So this is what I expect you to do. Construct a line. Just randomly put a point somewhere in the middle. Okay, I'd like you to try the compass method, it really is fun. Mark 2 points, move to the left or right, it doesn't matter. You're going to have to extend a bit, or a lot as the case may be, or you're going to have to extend something. You could extend too much and end up running off your copy. Switch it over, the point over, do that again. And join them up. This will often not be long enough. Come in with your full ruler. That's why we always want the full ruler to hand ready to go. It's part of our construction setup. Okay, now that would have been labelled P, this would have been labelled L, and this could be our line K, which fulfills all of the conditions. And you can go ahead and verify those conditions. That indeed it is a right angle. That's all you have to verify. Alternatively, coming over here. Oh, did I do a shout out? I didn't. A shout out, guys, for my brilliant third year group, third year maths group. So coming from YouTube, third year maths group, Skulna Trinota Nefa, favourite class of the day by far, you guys. Okay, here we are. So I have this line here, we have line L, we have point P, and The other method then is to use a set square, and I just want you to know you do have options as to which quadrant you drift this, you place this into. And the way that it's working out for me now, I'm happy enough to place it into this quadrant here. Okay, so I place it into this quadrant, show that little fact that I've used that. Of course now I want to leave it on, and construct part of this line. Remember to get rid of this. Okay, then maybe flick over your hypotenuse, which is plenty long, or if you want to go further, break through there, call that line K, and K is perpendicular to L, and P is an element of K, and P is a point which is an element of L. Okay, hope you enjoy that video, and again, here's to you guys third years. Okay, keep up the hard work, you're doing great.